It's the night at the funeral of our beloved Beetle that we just tortured and then we set free. And now he was found dead. Oh, poor Beetle. Here is Burge digging his, what you call that? Grave.
Libingan.
Yes, grave. Why are you laughing? This is no laughing matter.
Parang na ding minatay natin eh.
Oh no, poor Beetle in a plastic where we will bury.
Ang galing mo, plastic.
Oh no, he's sticky.
May he rest in peace.
There's the Beetle.
Then,
There's the wait no.
Oh.
Before we totally bury him, I shall now present a speech. Oh, poor Beetle, wherever you may be, we will always be here to remember thee. What about you, Birch?
So sad. So very, very sad.
Okay, now for the burial. Go with it.
Ding, ding,
My poor Beetle. Beetle, why did you go?
Pagkatalakan.
That's enough. Okay. Okay, it's enough. I said enough. Now, these two will always be here. The remembrance of us.
Of the Beetle.
It's our gift to the Beetle.
Mira may libingan.
And now we're gonna find some more
Party,
bugs,
party.
insects to
Torture again.
no, not torture.
And set free.
No.
And die again.
No, not like that.
Then have
We
another
will video them and then
Henry.
and then we will.
Henry.
You shut your.
Memorial, tinulture mo na.
No, I'm sorry for what I have done. I am truly very sorry.
What about the
And now-
langaw you killed?
Oh, the langaw. I will be there tomorrow. Maybe later. And now we will find more bugs and then capture them on tape and then send them to Facebook for National Geographic. Thank you.